This is a great recipe for pizza. It's going to give you two 14-inch pizzas that are regular thin crust New York style, or maybe two 12-inch deep dish Chicago pizzas. It's only going to cost $2 of ingredients, 10 minutes of work, and an hour of your time. Let's go. All right, mixing up pizza dough is pretty simple. It's going to be 10.5 ounces of water, 4 cups of flour, which is 1 pound, 4.2 ounces. Tablespoon of bread machine yeast, teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons or a quarter cup of olive oil. Put that in the mixer, mix it up, let it go for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's check it out. All right, I don't like to do a double rise. This is about 1.5, 1 3/4 times right here. It's only for about 15 minutes outside at 100 degrees because I hate to roll all the air out of it for pizza dough. So I let it get a little bit of rise so it's got air bubbles. Then I'm going to roll it out and then I'm going to let it re-rise just to get a little bit of thickness once it's in the pan. All right, I like these plastic things. Gives you a guide for how big we're going to do it. And you can do this by hand if you're good, but I am not good enough to throw that. So I'm just going to stretch it on out and get it out to the right diameter, and then we'll fit it into the pan. 16-inch circle. Pizza dough doesn't have to be rolled all super even. You can just stretch it out like this. You can put it on your fist and spin it. Okay, you can't see it if I do that up in the air, but just toss it up and get it spinning like that for a centrifugal force. Pull it out. Okay, you're just going to fit it into the pan, and depending on what you're making, if you do a deep dish pan, you're going to do a more bready, less kneaded one. You can put what you want on it, but I like this basil, garlic, oregano hunts. I'll spread that on thin on top of the crust, and then I like a little bit of sugar, but I'm going to mix it with this. I'll just sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top at the end and a little bit of Italian seasoning. On top of that, we're going to put our mozzarella cheese, and then I'll also do some Parmesan cheese. I got pepperoni. And I got some homemade Copa ham that I sliced up thin that we'll cut up and put on there. All right, there's one thin crust. We let that re-rise another 15 minutes while the oven heated. And it's just got a thick marinara sauce on it. All right, there it is, convection oven, 425 for 20 minutes. Nice crust. This one was on top. It got a little bit more done. All right, so, but it's still nice and soft. Good. All right, give them a try. Okay, let's take a look. Yep, good rise, good dough, good cooking all the way through. So that was a pretty thin crust pizza. It's about the right thickness. It's a regular crust, really, is what it came down to, but it was rolled out pretty thin. This is real easy and inexpensive to make great pizza just the way you like it. I hope you got something out of this. Give it a try. I sure appreciate a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.